Gondor coffee bean roasting machine. Various models. Real-time monitoring baking parameters. Even heating for coffee beans. Reduces direct contact heating. Increase the proportion of hot air. Visual window shows silver skin buildup. Can observe silver skin accumulation. 60-second rapid cooling. Maintain coffee aroma and quality. Put coffee beans into the hopper. Precise temperature control. Uniform bake, rich aroma. Take beans for testing at any time. Efficient and extremely fast cooling. Lock in the coffee aroma. Consistent finished product quality. Different degrees of roasting. Customizable colors. Custom service.